Don Mkhwanazi was a pioneer of black economic empowerment and its implementation before it became government policy by creating opportunities for black businessmen. He in fact coined the term BEE in the 80s as president of the Black Management Forum. Don started the National Empowerment Trust in 1992 and was chairman of the IDC subcommittee on BEE, an initiative which was to underscore the new strategic direction of IDC. He has won countless accolades, awards, scholarships, and fellowships in recognition of his contribution to the development and recognition of black managers, economic development, empowerment, transformation of our society, and youth development.